Now, a Newton man says he feels vindicated. Noah Peterson was arrested twice after criticizing the police and the city during 2 city council meetings. Now, a federal judge says those arrests violated his constitutional rights. KCCI's Marcus McIntosh is live for us in Newton, where he spoke to Peterson about the ruling. Marcus?
Ben, Noah Peterson says he was basically speechless when Monday's federal court ruling came down. But he says he will never forget where he was or what he was doing when his lawyers called him with the good news.
I was at work. I saw I was getting a call from my lawyer, answered it, said some choice words, some excitement.
Despite his excitement, the ruling from the federal court judge was one Noah Peterson expected.
I think it was just a slam dunk case.
Peterson says it all started back in late 2022. During public comment at 2 different city council meetings, he criticized the police department and the mayor. At one of the meetings, he called them fascists. He was arrested for disorderly conduct at both council meetings. At one of the meetings, he was said to be violating the city's rule against derogatory comments. Monday, a federal court judge ruled that rule and the arrests were wrong.
The First Amendment is clear. You have a right to criticize the government.
He was represented in court by attorneys for Institute for Justice, IJ, a Washington, D.C. area nonprofit law firm advocating for individual rights through strategic litigation and public advocacy. IJ attorney James Knight sent this press release that reads in part, "The decision is a clear warning to government officials nationwide. In America, you don't get to call the cops on your critics. If you do, not even qualified immunity can save you." Peterson says it is not about headlines, being a role model, or an example to others.
I'm just doing what I think anyone should be doing. If they see something wrong, they should not be afraid to speak out against it.
Peterson says it's not quite over, telling us the city has 30 days to respond. He also says he will be seeking compensatory damages. Now, the city directed us to a Des Moines-based attorney for comment. We reached out to that attorney several times and so far have not heard a word back. We're live in Newton. I'm Marcus McIntosh, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.